he's getting on my fucking nerves. He needs to get pushed off the trash can. Yeah, he's getting on my fucking nerves.
Yeah. Glenn is being nice to him. Oh no. Oh!
No! No! I can't lose Glenn! No! 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 Not Glenn! No! Oh, come on! I don't like this show. Maggie lost Glenn! Poor Maggie has no one now. She lost Glenn, she lost Herschel, she lost Beth. Fucking dickhead!